Hey there, I wanted to give a quick shout out to Chris and the REI Radio team. I heard about Chris and jumped on board, wanted to add a new marketing mechanism to my real estate business, and it was really easy. The onboarding process, going through the modules, it was pretty quick, simple, to the point. And then quickly able to get out and negotiate with the radio people here in town. That process went really well, smooth. I had the support of his back group there to check my numbers and give me advice, and all that communication process went really fast and smooth. I was able to get a contract set up at the price that we had hoped for, and we went live in July, and it's been able to bring some really good quality leads. The nice thing about it is I don't have to do anything. It just sets up and runs, which is really great. I don't get a ton of phone calls, but the phone calls I get are really high quality leads, and I've been able to convert 3 deals, I think, so far in a short period of time, and I'm fix and flip, and they've got really, really great margins. So super pleased with the process and the ongoing support. Couldn't say enough about REI Radio. It's like the niche of real estate that people aren't into, and cost-wise, super effective cost-wise. So anyway, thank you, Chris. Thank you, team. And I look forward to keep moving forward and hopefully adding stations real soon. Thanks a lot.